Mula sa naging post ng Eat Bulaga, we welcome the court's decision as a definitive vindication of the integrity of Eat Bulaga, its host and its management, and of the decades of trust that generations of viewers have placed in the program. The court's decision stands as a stern warning that social media cannot be used recklessly to destroy the rights of others. In some plaintiff TVJPI, as the producer of the longest-running noontime variety show, Eat Bulaga has established through clear testimonial and documentary evidence that it has a veritable right to protected and that defendants' acts with or violative thereof must be permanently restrained. Withhold, the court grants plaintiff TVJPI's application for permanent injunction to preserve its established corporate goodwill. Wherefore, premises considered judgment is hereby rendered in favor of plaintiff TBJ Production Incorporated. The complaint for a permanent injunction is hereby granted. Accordingly, defendant Andres Jose Garchitorena Iliana Jr., aka Anjo Iliana, his agents, representatives, and all persons acting in his behalf are permanently enjoined within the territorial jurisdiction of the National Capital Judicial. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Narito ang paliwanag sa nilalaman. Sinabi ng korte na naipakita ng TVJ Productions Incorporated sa pamamagitan ng ebidensya na may lehitimo silang karapatan na protektahan ang pangalang at goodwill ng kanilang noontime variety show na Eat Bulaga. Ayon din sa korte, ang mga kilos ng nasasakdal ay lumalabag sa karapatang iyon, kaya nararapat itong pigilan. Dahil dito, pinabura ng korte ang TBJ Productions Incorporated at ibinigay ang kanilang hiling na permanent injunction. Ang ibig sabihin ng permanent injunction ay isang permanenteng utos ng korte na nagbabawal sa isang tao o partido na gawin ang mga tinutukoy na kilos na lumalabag sa karapatan ng nagrereklamo. Sa bahaging nakikita sa larawan, nakasaad na si Anjo Iliana kasama ang kanyang mga ahente, kinatawan at sino mang kumikilos para sa kanya ay permanently enjoined or permanenteng pinagbabawalan sa loob ng teritorial na jurisdiksyon ng National Capital Judicial Region na gawin ang mga ipinagbabawal na aksyon na tinukoy sa desisyon. Mahalagang tandaan na ito ay bahagi lamang ng desisyon, hindi pinapakita sa nasabing post ang buong teksto na nagsasaad ng eksaktong mga gawain o aksyon na ipinagbabawal. Samantala, sa post din ay ibinahagi ng TVJ Eat Bulaga ang nasabing mga moral damage na babayaran ng aktor and host na si Anjo Iliana. Narito po at ibahagi natin sa inyo. Moral damages in the amount of 1 million pesos for the besmirched goodwill of plaintiff TBJ Productions Incorporated. Exemplary damages in the amount of 1 million pesos by way of example or correction for the public good to deter the reckless use of social media platforms to inflict commercial harm, and 4. Attorney's fees and cost of litigation in the amount of 500,000 pesos. All monetary awards shall earn legal interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the finality of this decision until fully paid. So ordered in Chambers, Mandaluyong City, June 29, 2020. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.